Hi, today I want to give you a short review on this cool Bluetooth wireless speaker that I just got from Amazon. It's made by TREBLAB. It comes with charging cable, additional cable for audio, linear, and this clip, and of course instruction. Speaker, you have a charging port, and what it's cool is you have a space so you can mount it on the tripod. Charging the speaker is very easy. You can just plug it into your computer on any other USB device. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge it. When you want to connect it, all you have to do is push the button and hold it.
Power on, Bluetooth mode,
Then
pairing,
then on my iPad,
connected.
there you go. They're already connected. It is just straightforward. Once you choose the speaker, it automatically gets connected. Now I'll show you the sound. So now I'm playing the music, and all you have to do is just use plus and minus signs to go higher and lower on volume, and it really plays really loud.
Maximum volume.
Nice bass, nice high tones. You can also skip by pushing twice. Holding this for 2 seconds. When you play Spotify on I'm just playing the music from my Google Drive. So you have a bunch of options. You can hold it for 2 seconds to skip another track, and you can answer phone calls. There is a microphone built in. So I really like the speaker. I use it a lot, especially when I'm outside working or when I'm in garage. The range on the speaker is also great. Basically walking across my entire house, and I was out there on the outside, and it still picks up the signal very well. So I would say that coverage distance of the Bluetooth is more than 30 or even probably 40 feet. So I think it's really great speaker. It's versatile. It's really not that heavy. You can use it for any situations, and it has really great sound. That's what matters, right? You want to have a good sound on the speaker, and this one delivers really great sound. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.